Alright guys, so here's the 5 things or confirmations that we'll have a look at before I enter a trade. Now, the first thing is that I will go to look at forexfactory.com to look at the news during the day because I do not want to be stuck at a red folder news, which is a high impact news when I'm trading, or if there's any white folder, which is bank holiday, which means that there's no volatility during the day, or there's less liquidity in the day because the bank is closed. So red folder, usually I wouldn't trade during news. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys could know, or I would know that. Just sometimes I would just gamble a bit, but sometimes guys, I seldom do it because it could easily blow my account. As for white folders, I never trade because it's hard to wait on white folder days because it's bank holiday. Now let's have a look at this website here. On my currencies, I choose USD only because I only trade gold and USD impacts gold directly, guys. So I just use USD for it. As for expected impact here, I used red folders and then white folders. Yellow folders and orange folders, it's not that useful for me, so I do not use them there, and apply filter here. Okay. So second thing is that I will look at the trends, guys, the major and minor trends. Let's say here, let's go to the 1 hour time frame here, guys. See that on the 1 hour time frame here, price is going full uptrend here, guys. But if it goes to the 5-minute time frame here, price is just going downtrend like this. Okay. So what should we do at this moment here, guys? Because higher time frame, price goes up, but minor time frame, price goes down. So what I would be doing at this moment is that I will be putting my support and resistance on the chart, guys, which is my third trend confirmation here. So resistance here. I'm just gonna delete this one here, another resistance here, and then resistance here, and then my support line here. Okay, see that, guys? It's clean. The trick with support and resistance is that you do not need to plot a lot of things on the chart. Well, for me at least, because I like to keep my chart clean and to see how I see the market clearly. So support and resistance is really key here, guys, because let us know that price is on a certain level, minor level or major level, because for me, my trading style here, I wouldn't want to be trading inside a range here. For example, in this range here, I wouldn't want to trade inside here or inside here. Okay, because for me, it's typically gambling, or it's kind of risky because I'm a kind of support and resistance person, and it is what it is, guys. Okay, so my first confirmation here is how the candle forms, guys. Let's say this channel here, candlestick. Why do I call it the candlestick? Because market is made of candles, guys, and candles forms tells a story about it. Let's have a look at this chart here. See this candle here? Closes with full bullish momentum here, guys. Okay, which indicates to me that price could probably goes to the next resistance area here. But I need more confirmation to take a trade, guys. I wouldn't take a trade by looking at this. Okay, price closes up above this resistance area with full bullish momentum, and we're just gonna take a buy trade here. Yes, you could do that, but it's kind of risky, guys. And from my experience, I wouldn't do that. I would wait for something like, let's say, like this here. Okay, price goes up, which is nice. I would wait for something like this, and then like this maybe. Yes, I will sometimes, miss a trade with something like this, but I would rather wait for something like this because the win rate could be higher than just going for, okay, this is a breakout trade, guys. I'm just gonna take a buy trade here, and then my stop loss here, targeting next area here. Yes, sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's like on a playbook trade, but it doesn't work out that well each time, guys. Okay, so the 5th thing that I will be looking at is the risk reward of my trade, guys, which is important. Now let's see this chart here. Okay, I'm just gonna delete off this, and then let's see here. All right, guys, let's have a look at this candle here. This candle here, it closes with full bearish momentum, okay, which is nice because price is also on a downtrend here. But I wouldn't take a sell right here, guys. Why and why? Because let's have a look at this here. This is a support area here, okay? This here is the next support area here. Next one, I think, is here, guys, okay? Let's say if I would take a sell here, stop loss is just above this candle here. Targeting 1-1 here. See that? First support area is here, guys. Second support area is here, which means that price could just goes down to here or here and then reverse, okay? So I don't want to do that. What I do is basically I choose my risk reward at least 1-1 or 0.5 honestly when price reaches my support resistance area so I can manage risk. Now let's have a look at this chart here and I will give you guys an example of it. And I think this here is the best example here, guys, because this is a support area here, guys, okay? And then the next resistance area is here. And if you guys see how this candle closes, it closes with full bullish momentum, guys. After it goes down to the support area here, people think that price could continue to go all the way down here, guys. But it actually reversed and then closes with full bullish momentum, which is nice, okay? So if I would take a buy here, my stop loss would be below this candle low here, and then targeting the next resistance area, which is here. So I will get a 1-1 risk reward, which is okay for me, which is nice. But if price will continues to go up here, then it goes to something like this. What I mean here is, guys, just go to just take a high probability trade and then a nice risk reward trade. For example, at least you will get 1-1 is in this trade on the next resistance here. We wouldn't want to get like 0.2, 0.3 on the next resistance or support area, which is basically not nice. And honestly, I took a buy trade here, guys, with 10 pips stop loss, and then I get like 1 to 2. I think it's live on my Instagram channel if you guys want to have a look at it. And it's slightly risky because I'm scalping 10 pips, I think I get like 10 pips here or something. Well, actually, I forget about it. But yeah, I did win a trade today, and it's basically just nice. And alright, guys, that's all for today. That's my 5 confirmation before I take a trade. And hope you guys like this video and take care and stay safe, guys. I will see you guys next time. And please remember to subscribe and like this video if you guys love this video. Bye bye.